Hello everyone, my name is Sasha Novak. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to introduce you to my Creative Scrapbook Kit Club, a scrapbooking club that provides monthly kits for scrapbooking. I've been invited to their design team as a guest designer to work with their April's limited edition kit. As a guest designer, I will be making 4 layouts using the materials from the kit. So first, I'd like to show you what's included in this kit, and then I will show you the 4 layouts that I made. April's limited edition kit consists primarily of Simple Stories Life in Bloom collection, which is super bright with lots of color and is perfect for any spring or summer project. It also comes with a few sheets from 49 and Market, which perfectly go together with the Life in Bloom collection. And it also comes with 3 sets of Prima flowers. So let's quickly look at the kit and I will get back to you with my layouts. And I'm back with my layouts as promised. I made 2 layouts with lots of dimension, flowers and butterflies like one you see on the top, and 2 that don't have as much detail but still turned out very nice. My first and favorite layout is this bright pink with my photos. I added a little bit of mixed media to the background, some texture paste and gold embossing. I usually add a lot more details to my projects, but these ones I kept rather simple just because the collection is so bright and colorful. I didn't want to overload the layouts. Also, I placed all my layouts on a medium chipboard just to prevent them from bending between now and whenever I decide to frame them and place them on the wall. My next layout is super simple.
For the background, I combined 3 sheets of scrapbook paper and layered some tags and ephemera into a composition you see on the screen. I didn't add anything to the background just because it's already too heavy. No flowers and butterflies. I think my son wouldn't appreciate them all around his photo. Super simple but still nice. I think this makes this collection and the kit very universal because you can use it to create different types of layouts.
My third layout is very similar to the second one. I also combined a few sheets to make my background here. I love this bright paper from 49 Market. I think it goes very well with the photos here. Now that I'm looking at it, I kind of want to add a little bit of texture paste to the background. I will be using this texture paste by Ranger and the stencil with numbers by Tim Holtz. And I'm actually going to speed up this process a little so you don't have to stare at it for 10 minutes. I think it turned out beautifully. Now I'm just going to add a few splashes of white acrylic paint and my layout will be done.
And this is the last layer that I made. I haven't actually placed it on a piece of chipboard yet, but I used lots of flowers and butterflies from the kit. Some butterflies came from the ephemera packs and some I fussy cut from the paper. There's actually already a tutorial on how I made this layout on my channel, so if you like, you can click on the video link in the right corner and watch it if you haven't seen it already. The tutorial will also be posted on my Creative Scrapbook blog, but I'm not sure when they will have it posted. So that is it for my layouts. Let me know down in the comments which one you like the most. I love them all, but if I had to choose one, I think it will probably be the first one with pink polka dots on the background.
Lastly, I wanted to show you how much supplies I have left from the kit after I made my layouts. So there's actually still lots of flowers left, plenty of chipboard and ephemera pieces, and there are still plenty of elements on the sticker sheet as well. There are also a couple of full 12 by 12 sheets along with the smaller pieces, so I think this is more than enough to make at least 2 more layouts. What I was thinking, I actually wanted to make a mini album from these leftovers. So I'll try to record this process a little bit and I'll add it to my next vlog. I'm trying to do more scrapbooking vlogs now that I'm a stay-home mom, but it's still quite difficult with a little baby. But hopefully there will be more vlogs and these types of videos coming out on my channel, and I would appreciate your support and feedback on things you'd like to see coming out. With that, I will end this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you and have a wonderful day.